definition and characteristics. These are the two things I'm going to do it together. Okay, so थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे देना. We'll do it step by step. पहले पार्टनरशिप का मीनिंग ही नहीं पता है तो हम लोग एक पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म कैसे करेंगे? Are you understanding? So we'll go step by step. Okay, so first we'll see what is the definition. If you understand the definition or you understand the characteristics, you will be able to remember the definition because it is one and the same. Now, if I want to form a partnership firm, the most important thing is an agreement. Yes or no? सारे पार्टनर्स का एक दूसरे के साथ अग्रीमेंट होना जरूरी है कि नहीं? Am I right? Correct? So the agreement can be in two forms, that is express, implied, but this is preferable. ये preferable है and that is the reason we are going to make partnership deed. Correct? पार्टनरशिप डीड. इसका और एक नाम है दैट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, और यू कैन इवन से वन मोर नेम दैट इज आर्टिकल्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. ओके, इसमें से तुमको क्या याद रखना है? फर्स्ट वाला पार्टनरशिप डीड. अगर गलती से बाय मिस्टेक इफ इन एग्जाम दे आर गिविंग दीज वर्ड्स, इट शुड नॉट हैपन दैट मिस ने हमको पढ़ाया ही नहीं था. वी वर नॉट नोइंग दैट पार्टनरशिप डीड का और भी नाम होता है. द कॉमन नेम इज पार्टनरशिप डीड. ओके, बट सम पीपल यूज दिस नेम ऑल्सो. तो मैंने आपको बता दिया. So whenever you want to enter into a partnership, you will have to make an agreement and that agreement is named as a partnership deed. What are the contents of partnership deed? What are the contents? Contents means what are the ingredients? Partnership deed बनाने के लिए हमको क्या क्या लिखना पड़ेगा अंदर? That is known as contents. Okay. Name, address of the partner, their profit sharing ratios. Correct? Then what else? Their rights, their liabilities, their type of partnership. Correct? है ना? What are the authorities being given to them? Correct? Yes. What all work is being shared by the partners? Whether salary is to be paid or no. Okay, interest on capital is to be given or no. What type of partnership firm it is? For what duration it is? Everything will be mentioned. A clause regarding dissolution, that how the firm will be closed, ये सब कुछ उस पार्टनरशिप डीड में लिखा होगा. समझ में आई बात? Everyone? Have you understood everybody? Now, if I want to make this agreement and if I want to form a partnership firm, so one more important point is association. What do you mean by association? Group of people is basically association. Okay? उसमें उन्होंने क्राइटेरिया क्या बताया है? There should be minimum 2 and maximum 10 in case of banking. Okay? And further उन्हें बोला है maximum 20 इन अदर केस. तो अगर बैंकिंग का बिजनेस है तो मैक्सिमम कितना होना चाहिए? 10 होना चाहिए. अदर केस है तो 20 होना चाहिए. ओके. नाउ, implied agreement means no deed where the provision of partnership act apply. Answer is, my dear, if you are not making a partnership deed at all, then in that case when you go to the court, then in that case in order to prove or in order to give some evidences that what terms and conditions were agreed upon, it becomes very difficult to prove. इसलिए मैंने कहा है कि preferable क्या है? Partnership deed. Because when you make the partnership deed, it will be on the basis of this particular act. So your partnership deed will be inconsistent with the law. Is this point clear? And when there is a dispute, it becomes easy for you to enforce your rights. I hope this point is very clear. Okay, so it is preferably always express. और जब implied का situation आता है, तो in contract act, as per the agency provision, okay, as an implied agency. Is this point clear?